Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I participated in the We're Going on a Bear Hunt that's taken place all over the United States. I made a bear splatter screen for my front door. I had to shop my craft room because obviously we're not going to the stores, so I did have one of these color yourself bears left over from Valentine's Day. I had a splatter screen that I removed the center knob from. I have one of the large lace doilies. They come two to a package. My flower supply is very much dwindled, but I did have one bunch of pink flowers, so I'm going to use those. And I had a blue and a pink placemat, and I'm going to use the blue one for this because it offset the pink flowers well. The first thing I did was I grabbed my truffle chalk paint and I painted most of the bear brown. I don't have very good paintbrushes, so I must shop for those. And then I used some of the truffle mixed with white for the rest of the bear, and I used a red paint marker for the heart, and then I added some stitches and some googly eyes to fancy him up. Then I normally wouldn't do this, but since this is temporary, I just used hot glue to glue down my doily onto my placemat. Then I folded over the bottom portion of the placemat and I used some hot glue, and then I reinforced it with 2 staples. Then I put some pipe cleaners into the placemat and the doily from the front to the back, and then I attached them to the splatter screen, and I did that at 4 points of the splatter screen so that the Florida wind wouldn't blow them out. Then I separated my bunch of flowers. I cut them off at the main base, and then I used some floral tape and I split the flowers in half, so I had 2 smaller bunches. And the reason I used floral tape is because it was easier to glue them into the pocket of the splatter screen. So here I glued one bunch to the right side, and then I also glued one bunch to the left side. And then I used 1 roll of the burlap pink ribbon to create a large bow, and that will cover out the flat part of the placemat where you can still see the splatter screen. And I attached my bear with some pipe cleaners and I hung it on my front door, and there he is, and I hope all the kids enjoy him. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.